There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can let
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you all so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing and I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. So guys, today's video, oh my goodness, it's all about this beautiful wig. Oh my god, this hair is from Eullair hair. Do you want to have this hair for yourself? Rush down to my description box right now and click the link below guys. Oh my goodness, Eullair hair, you guys are the best. I really do love this wig so much. Oh my god, see guys, if you order this hair from Eullair hair, oh my god, you are not going to be doing much work. It was very easy for me to work with. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. It came with elastic band guys, so you can actually use the hair like that without using glue. Trust me, it's so secure and I love the hair so much. You can actually do it any style you want. You can dress it anyhow you want. It's so beautiful. Eullair hair, you guys are the best. So if you want to work more with this hair, oh my goodness, you can actually do anything with it the way you want the hair to be. Okay, so if you want to use more products on the hair, you can actually do it guys. I just have to do it this way, you know, to look simple for the beginners. Okay, let me put it that way, for the beginners. Okay, you don't need much work. So if you want the hair to be more beautiful or more, I don't know how to put the word guys, you can actually do it the way you want. But right here, as you can see, I really make it simple for you guys to understand. Okay, so I love this hair so much. Don't forget to rush down to my description box, click the link below and it will take you to Eullair hair store. Okay, so go purchase this hair for yourself. It is very beautiful and you will thank me later. So if you don't want this color, you know, you all know me, Cecil Sars. I love beautiful things and I love natural things. As you can see the front, the way it's looking, oh my god, it's so natural, you know. So that is just it. So if you don't want to have this color for yourself, oh my goodness, there are lots of hair there. You can actually go there to purchase any one of your choice guys. And we also have different lengths, so don't worry about the color and don't worry about the length guys. Eullair hair, they are the best and they are the one trading right now. Trust me, when you order this hair for yourself, you will thank Cecil Sars later. You all know me, I don't do fake things guys. So try your best to rush down to my description box, then click the link below and order this hair for yourself. Eullair hair, oh my goodness, I love this hair so much and I'm rating you 100 over 100. Yeah, because I so much love this hair guys. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful and it's very easy to work with. Trust me guys, it's 100% human hair. Okay, if you are the type that don't know how to plug the front, oh my god, it's really plucked out guys, you know. So if you watch my video to the end, you are going to see the way I really work with this hair. So it was very easy to work with and I love this hair so much. So guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Hi everybody, hope you guys are doing fine. Oh my god, I'm here again with another beautiful wig guys. As you can see, the wig is so beautiful. Oh my god, and it's very secure guys, you know. you can actually use this wig like this without using any glue. Okay, as you can see. So don't worry, get this hair for yourself and you will thank me later. So right now I'll be using little foundation at the front to make it look so natural, you understand? So that is it. So right now I'm not going to be doing much work on this hair, so I will just put the wig direct. Okay, you can actually leave it this way if you don't want to use glue. That is what I love most about this wig, guys. This hair is from Eullair hair. Okay, I think I pronounced the name well, you know, but don't worry yourself, I will be putting down the link. Okay, so the wig is so beautiful. You can see you can actually throw your hair anyhow you want and the wig will not go down. Okay, for you to know how secure it is. Okay, so with the band at the back you can actually adjust it the way you want. Okay, so it's very, very beautiful, guys. I love this hair so much. I love it so much. Eullair hair, you guys are the best, trust me. So right now I will be trimming the front. No, I'm not going to be trimming the front. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing it this so that I can have more space, you know, to work with the wig. That is just it, guys. So you guys should go down below, click the link, then go get this hair for yourself, because this hair is so beautiful. The end, oh my god, I love this hair so much. I was so crazy about this hair, you know. So the front, as you can see, the front it's already plucked out, but if you want to do it more, you can actually do whatever you want with the hair. But trust me, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, that's so. You can see this glue, I will not be using it. I will be using the jet, guys, because I don't know how to explain this wig. Okay, because this is my first time of seeing a lace frontal like this, which you can actually use without glue. Oh my god, this is so surprising. Okay, let me put it that way. So right now I'll just be putting little by little, then choose my hot spray to make everything look perfect. Okay, so that is just it, guys. So let me say this. You can see at the end of the video I didn't do much of dressing. I don't know how to put the word, so you can actually do it the way you want. If you want to do it any style of your choice, you can just go ahead and do it. And the most important thing, or the why I'm so happy about this hair, it's not heavy at all, you know. It's so light. It looks as if I'm carrying my natural hair. Oh my god, this is the first time of me seeing a wig like this. You know, some wig it will just be heavy and you'll be praying to remove it, but this one, no, it's not like that at all. So simple, so natural. I don't know how to explain it, guys. You need to try this wig out, you understand, for you to understand what I'm talking about. Trust me, that is just it, guys. So for my old subscribers, you guys are most welcome. I love you all so much. I so much appreciate you all for always coming back to support me. You know, you guys are so amazing. I don't know how to appreciate you all, but all I have to say is thank you, and may God Almighty continue to bless you all. Oh my god. And if you are also new today and you're just saying my channel today, oh my god, this is your Sexy Sass, yeah, Sexy Sass TV, and you are welcome to this very channel, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I upload any video, guys. Yeah, so that is just it. As you can see, I'm trying to bring some little baby hair. Okay, yeah, little baby, yeah. So you know, there are lots of people, or some, they always bring much, but me, I just want natural thing. I want it to be as if it's my natural hair, guys. But you can do what you want. Okay, don't do what I'm doing, but if you like what I'm doing, you are welcome. You can do it like that. So don't forget, this hair is from Eullair hair. Oh my god, the link will be, I will put the link below. Okay, so you see the end, so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, oh my goodness, see, the front looks so natural. I really do love this hair. Oh my god, see the way it looking natural as if it's my hair. Oh my god, you see, so beautiful. As you can see, I didn't do any work, you know, just take the wig, then put it on my hair, put a little gel at the front, then spray it, then you are good to go. Okay, so that is just it, guys. See the way it looks, so beautiful. Okay, beautiful, sexy yourself. Okay, that is it, guys. I love this wig so much. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So please try to purchase this hair for yourself. Okay, thank you all for always being there for me, and I love you all so much. Yeah, you can see the way I'm playing with the hair. Oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god, you see, you can actually brush it and the wave will still be there. Oh my goodness, have you ever seen this kind of hair before? I don't think. Yeah, so beautiful, guys. I love this hair so much. Oh my god. So thank you all, and see you all on my next video. Bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and